It's my privilege to be sitting in the middle of a home that was once owned by President Sheares' family. This is a 16,244 square feet good class bungalow that's currently a home for 3 generations. This is Sheares. Welcome home. There are less than 2,800 good class bungalows in Singapore, and it is known that good class bungalows houses some of the most prestigious families and communities. Situated in the King Albert Park good class bungalow area, this is one of the best choices if you're looking to enter the community. It is an exclusive community, and you'll be surrounded by some of the most influential families. You will also be a stone's throw away to many amenities in Bukit Timah area, and in the near future, expect many future transformation as more integrated developments develop. This land lies in the radar of good schools such as Pei Hwa Primary, attracting younger families in this area. The land offers a good frontage of 27 meters and length of close to 60 meters, allowing a long private driveway on the side to the back of the home and into the car park basement. Currently at approximately 12,500 square feet of build-up, this land carries the potential to build up to 16,000 square feet to include a mezzanine and an extended basement. The theme of this home is to promote multi-generational living while allowing space for privacy. A rectangular shaped land that gives you grand long corridors at home, separating into the left and right wing where different generations get to have their very own space within the home. The ground level forms the focal point of the communal family life, where living, dining, and kitchen are all on this level. Generous space serving as informal seating for larger family events with unobstructed views to the large greenery and lap pool, families can get together easily. The living room and family area face a north-south orientation. Decked with angular windows, this unit takes advantage of the land positioning to bask indirectly from both the morning and evening sun. The dining hall is nicely segregated away from the main living hall, which allows private dining events to happen without disrupting the rest of the families. The upper floors are accessed via a common stairway on the left or the spiral staircase on the right. With the majority of the bedrooms on the upper level, this is where the family get together for their private time. There are 9 bedrooms en suite and boasts generous space for every household members here. Each space offers a retreat to their study, hobby, and rest.